This might actually be one of the easiest affiliate programs. In the step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to make your first $1,000. There are 3 different freight traffic sources that anyone can use, regardless of whether you have any social media followers, a website, or where you're coming from. You see, everyone now understands the importance of short-form content. YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Snapchats, TikToks, and even brands and massive companies are jumping on these trends. Even figures like Joe Rogan, with a massive long-form podcast, are now embracing short-form content. This AI tool allows people to repurpose their long-form content into short-form content. It provides AI-driven features to help decide whether those shorts and reels have the potential to go viral. The platform and AI tool called Munch also offers an affiliate program, paying recurring commissions when someone signs up. They can generate reels and shorts from long-form videos with one press of a button. Signing up for the Munch affiliate program is easy. Just go to Munch's website, sign up, and enter your details. Once signed up, you can track earnings and get an affiliate link. Withdrawals can be made through PayPal. Now let's talk about 3 ways to promote your affiliate link for free. Firstly, reach out to creators on YouTube who post long-form videos. Secondly, write articles on platforms like Medium discussing the importance of short-form content. Lastly, leverage YouTube. You don't necessarily need to show your face. You can create tutorials and include your affiliate link in the description. By utilizing these strategies, you can effectively promote your affiliate links and potentially earn commissions. Remember, short-form content is trending, making it an easy sell. Sign up for the Munch affiliate program today and start promoting your affiliate links. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.